Hey guys, what's up? So we are gonna explain you how the hacking of the Bafang controller works. So to maximize the chance of recovering the flooded controller, we gonna frame the errors into one condition. Display turns on, no error codes, battery reads up, you throttle or pedal assist, and the brake cutoffs are disconnected and the motor doesn't power up. If you open the controller and it's wet, boom, continue watching this video. We are here back to something very important. When you're gonna seal the Bafang controller, Bruno, come here. Can you see this? So here at Cyberbikes, we add this tape. This is a gaffer tape or a tape that has some sort of cloth, okay? You can see how dirty it is, you know, and after you sealed the controller with new rubber seals and sometimes a little bit of silicone, I strongly recommend adding a tape like this to your motor, okay? You can even heat up the tape so it sticks more to the motor. After some time you replace it, but keep some sort of tape between, like on top of the two gaskets. Can you see this trail here and this trail here? So they are the two gaskets of the Bafang motor and the tape covers them perfectly. At the same time, the fins on the left and right are still there to help cooling down the motor. If you cover the motor completely, then you can overheat the motor in a condition of high power use. But just this tape won't interfere in cooling and will seal the controller better, you know, against rain and bad weather.